Hi, I'm Jamie.
I'm Sonia. We're with Thrive Vegan Cooking. Welcome to our new kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to use an air fryer to make buffalo cauliflower.
So cauliflower is a great alternative if you want to make a buffalo chicken type recipe. Cauliflower is low in calories, but it's loaded with antioxidants and vitamins such as B, C, and K.
Also, using an air fryer is a lot healthier alternative than if you would use a deep fryer to make your buffalo cauliflower. Also, using an air fryer saves energy, especially during the summer months when you don't want to overheat your kitchen when it's hot outside. So there's a lot of benefits to using an air fryer.
So we'll get started. We're going to show you how to make our recipe.